I'm Sarah Borgson-Keeter with NAREIT'sREIT.com. I'm here in New York at REITWeek 2015, NAREIT's Investor Forum. I'm joined by Ramin Kamfar, Chairman and CEO of Bluerock Residential Growth REIT. Welcome, Ramin.
Thank you for having me, Sarah.
So Bluerock has been very active so far in 2015 in terms of buying multifamily properties. Will that pace continue, and what are market conditions like right now?
We have been very active. I think we've bought about $400 million in assets, about 2,500 units, or committed to buy since the beginning of the year. And it's a growth plan that we put in place when we went public about 15 months ago. I think we've tripled in size since last year when we did this interview, both in terms of revenues and in terms of assets. And we're expecting to continue that for the rest of this year and hopefully through 2016, obviously capital markets allowing. We see very attractive market conditions we have a big focus on growth markets. That's markets that are generating above average employment growth in certain specific industries that we look for, which generate high disposable income, and we find those markets to be tremendously attractive for what we're buying today.
And how active does Bluerock expect to be on the development side?
We like development in this part of the cycle. Again, in our markets, we find that there's tremendous value creation in terms of development. We're generally underwriting to about a 200 basis point value creation between our return on cost and market cap rates, which is generally a double on our money. We just sold a deal in Nashville where it was a development deal, and over 27 months we got a 280% return on cost. So I think development's going to be about a third of our portfolio in terms of our equity, and we have a pipeline that could grow as large as $1 billion.
So Ramin, how is Bluerock looking to create value from its existing portfolio?
Well, we're value players, so what we're buying, there's always a value creation component to it. It could be as simple as relatively minor upgrades to the interiors and the amenities, just a light value add to push up rents $50 or $100 a unit. It could be we have a broken condo that we're reassembling in terms of buying units to turn it back into multifamily and create value that way. But there's always an element of value creation where we're looking to grow FFO, grow NAV, and push rental rates.
Thank you very much, Ramin.
Thank you.
And for more news and analysis on all things REIT, be sure to visit REIT.com.